Hello, what's up? Happy New Year. Yes, we made it. I am so happy to be here and to see another year. Lord knows it's truly a blessing to be here. However, I just want to say Happy New Year to my beautiful loves. And I'm so happy that you guys are able to tune in. The reason why I'm here is because I wanted to say Happy New Year and also share with you my new toy. Anastasia, yes, the Prism Palette. And I must say, I'm currently wearing it on my lid. As you can see, it is beautiful. But anyway, when I tell you, after I got all my Sephora gift cards for Christmas, I was so ready to go and use them. So this was number one on my list because the colors are just amazing, as you will see. So here are the shades, and I must say they are beautiful. Like, you can see them for yourself. I'm currently wearing Lure on my lid, which is this shade right here. So I just wanted to get on here really quickly and show you the palette and the colors itself. Like, I mean, they're just simply gorgeous. I just wanted you to see the colors. Like, they are absolutely amazing and very pigmented. It comes with a brush, which I have not used because I'm currently using my regular brushes, but I will be testing the brush out to see how well it blends. And if you love nice pigments, I believe I just put my brush in once and just spread it out over my lid, and it worked out perfectly. Like, it went into all my creases because I tend to crease sometimes, but I applied my Laura Mercier powder. Then I put my Too Faced glitter glue on the lid to help the to help the shadow stick well and to also seep this pigment. Believe it or not, I've had this makeup on since 7:30 this morning, and it's still intact. And you know what? I tried something different this time. For some odd reason, I don't recommend this if you have oily skin. I'm kind of in between a combination. I only get oily in my T-zone, which I use my Becca Poreless Primer for, you know, my T-zone area. But I used regular cocoa butter. Yeah, I washed my face, and then I applied cocoa butter to give me some moisture because it is so cold outside. So I just wanted to make sure I had some moisture. I didn't want to be, you know, outside feeling like I'm cracking. But I applied, you know, some cocoa butter, massaged it in, and then I applied my foundation. I put my Becca Poreless Primer on my forehead, nose, chin area, and then everything else I just left alone. I didn't put any primer on my face or anything. I just wanted to try something different just to see what happens, and I really love the finish. Like, no lie, cocoa butter. And I put my foundation on top of that. Of course, put my Laura Mercier on there to set it, and my face has been like this since 7:30 a.m. So, but like I said, if you have oily skin, I wouldn't recommend it. I just don't quite know how it would work for you, but it works for me. And I actually love the finish. Like, it's very dewy, I want to say, and it's not too much, but I like it. I like it. But anyway, I don't want to talk y'all to death. I just wanted to simply come on here and say I appreciate you very much for tuning in to my channel and also subscribing. Tell your friends to get with my friends, you know what I'm saying? We could be friends. We could do this every weekend. You know what I'm saying? Is that alright with you? I was just like. But anyway, thank you so much, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you that has subscribed, that has shared with a friend, that has, you know, commented. And by all means, please comment if you want to, you know something, just let me know. I'm trying my very best to be more active on my channel because I haven't posted in quite some time, and it's really kind of hard when you're constantly working. But to God be the glory. But anyway, I just want to say that, and I wish you guys a very successful, prosperous new year, and happiness most importantly. And that's all I wanted to say. Until next time, my beauties, mwah, keep smiling.